So hi guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you the NA perm, and which is this case in the PLL. So in this case you get some of your blocks. So in the left side of the cube, if you'll see at the small box, so small corners, they will be at the left side of the cube solved, and if you will see the big two edges in the corner, they are on the right side. For this, okay, I'm gonna teach you very simple algs on this. First of all, let me show you the finger tricks of this case. The finger tricks are like you have to do some. Okay, I'm now just telling you the case, not just okay. So here's case. So for the case, you like how you people do, like on this anti-zoom, you take this back 2 times like this. So you have to do the same, take this, but instead take it down, like do this move, and then instead of going back, put the actual in the back, and then from here you have to do a J perm. If you are not recalling what the J perm is, this is a J perm, in which you have the backside solved and then 2 edges, and we have to put the J perm algorithm like this, and fast animation like this is a J perm. If you don't know J perm, then you'll not be able to do NA perm. So this is the easiest way to do NA perm, which I'm teaching you. So put the J perm aside, and then do a J perm from this side like this. Do a J perm. I hope you guys only know it. Okay, the most important step after doing the J perm, you have to do a U2. If you have pockets, you have to do a U2 or just U1, and then just insert this pair back here like this, and ta-da, you are done with it. Let's check that again like this. Then take this FTL pair out, then move the pair back, do a J perm, and then insert the pair back in. That's how easy the case is. I hope you guys have loved it. So subscribe to channels for more such easy cubing contents.